Hi, welcome back to my session. This session is for tutorial series of it's learn HTML step by step, and this is part two for the tutorial series of learn HTML step by step. Okay, so in this second part, I will discuss about coding in my web page file, how to create a web page, and how I can code in my web .html file, which will run in the web browser. Okay. So in previous session, I already discussed about the environment setup. I have set up the environment for coding web development or coding into HTML. Or next, I have discussed about the what is HTML. I have discussed introduction about the HTML, and I have make a file for my web page that is index.html, and I have shown how to run this file in my web browser that is Firefox. Okay, so today I am starting starting to design my code into my web page. Okay, so how we can code in HTML in the web page to design the web page. Okay, so I am just right click over my file. This is my sample project, and inside sample project I have created a index.html file, and I am just running it in my web browser. So I am clicking over there, right click over there on the HTML file, and I'll start with open with Firefox. So it is displaying nothing on the runtime browser because I have not added any code inside the index.html file. I have not designed any code. Okay. So and also you have see the tab in the tab new tab, it has opened, and the title of that tab is the location of the file index.html file. Okay, so now we'll start to code in HTML in to develop our web page. Okay, so let's start. Now to code into our web page, we have to right click over my index.html file, and since I have already installed my code editor, that is Notepad++, I will open it with this option, edit with Notepad++. I'm repeating again, just right click over the file and just select the file and right click over it. And if you have already installed your code editor, you just will see this option, edit with Notepad++. So just click over there. So my index.html file is opened in the Notepad++ code editor. Okay, so now I will write my HTML code here to develop my web page. Okay, so the very basic what the start of my HTML design code to start the HTML code design, we first have to write the actually HTML page is the sequence of HTML tags. We have to create the structure of the web page using some sequence of HTML tags. Okay, writing some HTML tags, and with the HTML tag, the content we have to put the content inside the HTML tag. Okay, so how we can write a how we can start our code, just we will see now. Okay, so to start a HTML to start the coding of a HTML page, we have to declare first the document type. Okay, so this is the web document, right? An index.html file is a file for web page, that is for making the website. So it is a web document. web document. So to recognize make understanding by the browser, we have to say the browser that this file is the no, this file is the website web page. This is for web page. Okay, this file is making as a web page. Okay, so now I will start coding. I'll have to declare the document type here. To declare the document type, I have to start a less than sign and then exclamation mark, and I have to write a doc type, doc type HTML. Okay, so by this line you are just telling your browser that this is a web document and this document is HTML5 document, and this is the HTML5 standard definition. Okay, prior to HTML5 there are more like syntax is syntax is more than some lengthy syntax is there, but we not go to that. Just if we write a doc type HTML, it is the HTML5, the latest version standard, and this is the document type declaration for HTML5 standard. That is very easy. Just writing a doc type less than exclamation mark doc type and HTML. So this is indicates that this file is a web document, and it will be recognized by the web browser. Okay, now to start, now I will start the page and coding into the web page. So to start the coding, first we have to write the HTML. Since it is a HTML page, so I have to write HTML tag first. A tag is identified by some keywords which are recognized by the web browser. This HTML is recognized by the web browser. This is called tag, and each tag will be start with a less than sign and will be greater than sign at the end. Okay, so this complete this then HTML, then greater than sign, this complete word or whatever, this complete thing is called a HTML tag. Okay, so whenever I am saying about tag, that tag must have a word, and in front of that word, that a less than sign will be there, and after the word, that a greater than sign will be there. So it complete makes a HTML tag. Okay. So whenever a HTML tag starts, it must have to finish with the like this. So I have started HTML tag, so I have to finish that HTML tag like this. So the distance symbol, then one front slash will be added in front of HTML. Okay. So this is the ending tag of HTML. Just a front slash will come before in front of the word keyword of HTML. Okay. Now this I have declared the total web page code. My code will be resides inside the HTML. This two HTML start tag and end tag, and everything I have to code in between these two tag. Okay, and not after that. Okay, here I will not code. Okay, I have to write my code inside this area only, in between the HTML tag, start tag and end tag. So in between start and end of HTML tag, we have two section in our HTML document. So what are those two section? The one is head section and another is body section. So inside HTML, we have a head section. So every head section has a end set tag for head section. So I'm writing the end tag of head section, and the next section is body. So HTML had two section, one is head and another is body. Okay, so I'm start body section here and I'm ending the body section here. Okay, so this is the simple format of any HTML document. This is the complete format, I can say. And everything we have to write code inside head section and the body section. And inside the head section, whatever we write, that will not display in our runtime browser. Okay, let's check once. Yeah, let's I am writing here, this is head section, and I'm just saving this. And so this is coming because head section is, if I am not writing any tag between before the text, it will display here. Okay, it will display here, but head section basically used not to write content. Head section basically used to define some title or meta tags. Okay, so this is not the place of writing the text or any information. This section is for writing the information about the document, about the HTML document or web page document. So web page document have the title. We must have the title of a web page document, and must give a title here, title. So I am writing title tag. Yeah. So I am finishing the title tag. To write a title, we have to write title tag. Okay. So now I am writing a title. This is, I'm writing here, welcome to my website. If I refresh this, and if you can see this title is appearing, the here this title is appearing in the tab. Okay, so this is our web page title or website title. Okay, so this must be given, your website title must be given. Okay, so now I'm going to the code file. So in head section, the most important thing I have to write is title, because every web page have must have a title. And other thing is I have to write Unicode, which HTML is used, the character set. So I am writing here meta tag for that. Meta content is UTF-8. It will be cat set, character set. So this UTF-8 is a Unicode character set, and this page will identify whatever we will write. It will identify. It will come from the UTF character set. It will be recognized as a UTF character set. Okay, this is a Unicode character set. Okay, so we have to give this information here inside the meta tag, and we have can give other information, meta information like meta. uh, we can write the author, So to write that, I have to uh, write like this: name and content. So I will write in the inside the name is author, ATHOR author, and your name will be there. Okay. And inside the head section, I'll give some other meta information for search engine optimization. We'll come in later on that when we'll learn about the advanced topics. Okay, we'll come later on this that part. So the very basic thing is you have to put here the title and you have to put here the character set information in meta. Okay, so these two are the very mandatory information or mandatory tag uh, elements you have to write inside the head. Okay. So now if I save it, let's any changes has happened. Just it is showing the title. Other meta information is not showing because it will not show here. Only title will be showing in the on the title bar. Okay. Now I'll whatever web page content that will be constructed inside the body section. So we have to write the body section to write the content of our web page. So in the web page body is this area. So we have to design the body section inside the body here, and if we design our code inside the body accordingly, it will appear on our runtime web browser in the total browser screen. Okay, so I'll come with that in my next video. So this is all for this session 2. That's all for session 2. Thank you for watching my video, and just give a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, and I'll come back with my next video soon. Okay, thank you.